Hi, this video tutorial is about CS593, the Web and Mobile Software System course. So the URL will be provided by the professor. You need to just launch this URL and see the course assignment that is given here. The closed syllabus is also listed down here, and a class ID has been assigned to you based upon your last 3 digits of BUID. Please have a look at that, because based on your class ID, the lab assignment is assigned. So the lab assignment is given based upon your class ID if you look at it. And then the first thing that we need to do with the course is like part 1, you need to do the reading part. So you'll have all the topics that are listed down here, like web engineering, web apps, types and attributes, web engineering models, and the differences between what web engineering is, what software engineering is given here in the topic 1.1, the web engineering, and what analysis, the framework activities that are being done, and then the analysis, design, information modeling, and so on and so forth are explained here. And the part 2 is about it's about like creating a PowerPoint presentation for the topic that has been assigned. So for part 2, Scrum method is the topic that's been given. So you need to do an individual research on this topic, and you need to create a detailed top quality presentation on this topic. So what to be included in this topic, like what are the data that is to be submitted, what the data is Scrum principles, Scrum main activities, characteristics, and then Scrum team members, roles of Scrum team members, sprint fundamentals, Scrum software engineering model, and so on and so forth. And the template should be, your PowerPoint template should be this that's been specified here. This is the template that you have to use. So you need to use this template only. You can't pick up your own template for this. And then after part 2, we'll have the part 3, that it's about developing the app, the mobile app and the web app. So with the web and mobile systems development, so the first assignment in part 3 is lab 1. You need to create an online database with PHPMyAdmin, and you need to just verify, you need to give the data that's been provided as per your lab as lab ID. You need to enter that data on PHPMyAdmin and create a report on lab 1, and then you need to do a self-study about lab 2. That is like you need to create a GUI of a web system using Microsoft Expression Studio. Use that tool and create a web-based app, a GUI. And the part 3 is about, you need to create a link, that is you need to connect the GUI and the data, create a data exchange interface between the online database and the web GUI. That is lab 1 and lab 2 that's given here. These 3 labs are mandatory. Lab 4 and lab 5 are optional, and you'll get an extra point if you do that. So the optional part is nothing but lab 4 is you need to create a mobile app, and the 5th one is nothing but a data exchange interface between the online database and the mobile GUI. So this is the course about, and you need to just send your reports in the format that's been specified in the assignment, course assignment PDF. So for example, the mini report should inside in this particular folder, and it should have this particular format, like class ID followed by CS593 followed by part 3.zip file or .raw file. And the presentation format should be, for part 2 is like class ID CS593 part 2.ppt. And part 1 you should do the reading. You'll get a 10% course point for that. And the references have been provided here if you want to have a look at what tools to be used and what is version 1 about, or what. So you can see about the first topic is about Scrum. So the tool, one of the tool that's being used is version 1. So what version 1 is, what are the agile methodologies that's been developed for version 1, what is Riley software, what is target process, and so on are listed down here in the references. You can have a look at these references as well. Thank you.